Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to search your gallery on Samsung. Now, let's say it's a particular picture you want to search for and you have a lot of pictures in your gallery. What do? From your up here icon here, you press down on it. You see search gallery among the options. So click on search gallery. Then you type the one you want to search. If it's a video, what you say, put in the name, click on it, and then you have access to all those in the category you just chose. For this particular name, you can just put in that particular name also. You can put in the particular name. Let's say I want a WhatsApp images. Good. And then I can choose the one I'm looking for. And that's it. That's how to search images on Gallery on your Samsung. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Till next time. Bye bye.